Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to block camera permission on Google Chrome for your PC, especially after the recent updates. This is a crucial step for maintaining your privacy while browsing. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to accessing all your favorite websites. Once you have it open, navigate to the specific site where you want to restrict camera access. Next, open the site you want to adjust permissions for. Once the page is loaded, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a small icon next to the web address. This is where you can manage site information. Now, next to the web address, click on View Site Information. This will open a small pop-up that provides details about the site's permissions and security status. It's essential to check this before making any changes. After that, open Site Settings. In this section, you'll find various options that control what permissions this particular website has. It's a straightforward interface that allows you to customize your experience. Now comes the crucial part. Next to Camera, choose Block. By selecting this option, you are effectively preventing the site from accessing your camera. This action ensures that your privacy is protected while using Chrome. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, navigating to your desired site, viewing site information, accessing site settings, and blocking camera access, you can take control of your privacy on Google Chrome. Remember, managing permissions is vital in today's digital age where privacy concerns are paramount. If you found this guide helpful and want more tips on managing your online security, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.